Fuerteventura, the jewel of the Canary Islands. Welcome to be enchanted by the magic of Fuerteventura, an island where nature's wonders meet the unique culture of the Canary Islands. Immerse yourself in the island's vibrant culture, where the Spanish and African influences combine to create a unique and authentic experience. Indulge your adventurous side with the island's world-class water sports activities, from surfing to kiteboarding. The crystal-clear waters of Fuerteventura are perfect for thrill seekers. Relax and unwind while watching the breathtaking sunsets over the ocean. The warm and tranquil atmosphere of Fuerteventura will leave you feeling rejuvenated. Discover the magic of Fuerteventura, an island where nature's splendor and culture's charm come together to create an unforgettable experience. Book your trip today and experience the magic with good vibes only.
Like, share, and subscribe for more destination vibes.